What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. I'm super excited to share with you an in-depth review of the HP Envy 6555E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer, a device that's truly making waves in the world of printing technology. As someone who's always on the lookout for innovative solutions that can simplify our daily lives, I was eager to dive into the features and capabilities of this impressive machine. So, let's get started and explore what makes the HP Envy 6555E such an attractive option for both home and office use. First off, one of the standout features of the HP Envy 6555E is its versatile all-in-one functionality. This means you can print, copy, and scan with just one compact device, making it perfect for spaces where saving room and boosting efficiency are top priorities. Imagine having the power to handle all your printing needs without cluttering your workspace with separate machines. It's a game changer for home offices, small businesses, and even students looking to optimize their study areas. The convenience and space-saving design of the HP Envy 6555E are undeniable, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. Another aspect that caught my attention is the condition of the renewed premium product. The HP Envy 6555E, being a renewed item, undergoes rigorous testing and inspection to ensure it meets high standards of quality and performance. Specifically, when you hold the product 30 centimeters away, you won't see any signs of cosmetic damage like scratches or dents. This attention to detail and commitment to quality gives you peace of mind, knowing you're getting a device that looks and functions like new. It's a testament to the thorough refurbishment process, which aims to provide customers with a like-new experience without the hefty price tag of a brand-new model. Now, let's talk about the warranty and support that comes with the HP Envy 6555E. This product is backed by a 1-year replacement or refund guarantee, which means if it doesn't meet your expectations in terms of appearance or performance within that period, you can get a replacement or your money back. This kind of assurance is invaluable, as it protects your investment and shows that the manufacturer stands behind the quality of their product. For anyone looking to make a smart, long-term purchase, this warranty provides significant peace of mind, letting you focus on what matters most, using your printer to create, work, and bring your ideas to life. As I delve deeper into the capabilities of the HP Envy 6555E, I was impressed by its potential to seamlessly integrate into your daily workflow. Whether that's printing out important documents, copying receipts for record keeping, or scanning in photos to share with loved ones. The wireless connectivity and AI-enabled features make it not just a printer, but a central hub for your printing and scanning needs, accessible from the comfort of your own space. It's clear that the design of the HP Envy 6555E was driven by a deep understanding of what users need and want from their printing technology: convenience, reliability, and performance. In conclusion, the HP Envy 6555E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer is an outstanding piece of technology that checks all the right boxes for both functionality and value. With its all-in-one capabilities, renewed premium quality, and comprehensive warranty, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their printing experience. Whether you're setting up a new home office, seeking to streamline your workflow, or simply wanting a reliable printer for personal use, the HP Envy 6555E is definitely worth considering. So, if you're ready to take your printing to the next level, find the link in the description below to get your hands on the HP Envy 6555E today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to transform your printing experience and discover a smarter way to work and create. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.